So a lot of kids or a lot of youth are going into schools, and I think schooling is great. I'm never knocking education. However, going for programs where there are no available jobs, and you graduate and you realize you have nowhere to go from there. Look into the trades, and I think a lot of that is knowledge. I didn't know for a long time that I could work in the trades. You really introduced me to that.
I had to con you into it.
You did, but I had no idea that it was a viable career for me. I didn't think I fit in that job atmosphere. So showing people that you can get in the trades, the different trades that you can do, and how good you can become at something or how satisfying it can be is really important to us.
Great example, Sherry. I said, Sherry, we're going to New Orleans. We're gonna help. Do you want to come? She's like, New Orleans? She was talking about flying there, not working there.
I was a bit of a traveler, and that was kind of what my incentive.
And now?
I'm still here. You're getting to help people and feel like a superhero. So how can you say no to something like that?